to Razer Ranch, where the thrill of hunting hogs in the lush wilderness of Florida truly comes alive. Join us this week as we track down these elusive beasts with our dogs, creating unforgettable adventures in the heart of the wild. Let's dive in with Brad and Jordan and experience the untamed excitement together at Razer Ranch.
So Brad and I were not prepared for this, and we had to run back to the cabins real quick, which the cabins are awesome, by the way, at Razer Ranch. If you haven't seen that yet, check out other episodes. But we run back, grab all the GoPros, all the batteries, the other camera, and we get out there just in time to meet up with Paul and Ryan letting the dogs out. The hunt started off pretty slow, and what seemed to be was going to be a long day for all of us changed very quickly.
Catch him, Rigger, catch him, Rigger, catch him, Rigger.
Hey, caught. Caught. Spin, caught.
Good girl, good girl, good boy, good girl. Good girl.
Oh, I don't care. I think she did her job. I think we about cut through that brisket and sternum all in one.
With very little effort, I would say. Smooth.
That's a hell of a rush.
The knife went in so fast, I bet you the weight of the knife could cut that pig.
You got to remember, take a look at the pythons on Reed right there.
Yeah, I guess he doesn't need as much effort as we do.
He don't need as much torque as us boys got to put in that thing. My goodness.
Okay, boys and girls, we had to get on the wheels a little bit to run after that pig.
Yeah,
but yeah, look at the dogs getting some muddy water. They deserve it.
they do. Take a bow.
Good work from the pups. Wow, that was pretty intense for us to run up in there like that.
Well, there was a lot of action that just happened right there.
Yeah.
It was hard to keep up with it. It was out of nowhere. Paul released Spook. Spook got on the pig, dragged him down quick.
Yeah.
Reed went over there with the hot thunder tropic knife and
See ya.
see ya. The air you could just hear it release out of the lung.
Yep. We got one more up the bat now. Oh, are they already on another pig?
Small one's in the back. Oh, that was a good one. Easy, Rigger. Easy, Rigger. Calm down, Bubba. I know you can do that. He's got one, he's got one, he's got one. Rigger, Rigger, catch Rigger. Rigger, 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 Rigger. Coming in, watch your back, coming in. Dead little. Rigger, Rigger, Tahoe.
Grab this dog. Cut that dog off and grab him.
Got him. Watch this line, watch this line.
Good, caught. Keep off.
Got it. Come on, Scoot. Come on, Scoot. Good girl. Good girl. Good girl. Good girl. Ruby, where you been?
She caught that hog too.
Did she?
She caught the first one.
All right, that's enough, Rigger. All right, come on. Let's go. Let's go.
How's it going so far, Ryan?
It's going great. One down, one to go. Looking for the right hog. Get him, Ruby. Catch him, Rigger. 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 Cahog! Cahog!
Come on behind you, Ryan.
Going? Which way are you going? Where do you want? Okay, ready?
1, 2, 3, go.
Good job. Good job.
That went right in, man. Jesus.
That's a knife.
Yeah, that's a nine.
Wow.
Wow. Man.
Jesus. That was a spurt.
I'd say
Yeah,
that
it was.
played to the trigger.
It did, yeah, went right in, smooth. Nicely done.
Come here. Hey. Hey, she's fine. She's fine. She's good now.
Good girl. Good girl, honey. Good girl, honey.
All right, tell us more about knives. Are these something people can order? Or is it just for yourself?
Absolutely. I'm not a big production guy. I make knives, quality, as much time as it takes. You can find me, Raw Custom Knives, on Instagram. I try to post stuff there. I have a website that I never update because I'm a one-man show. But I like to make knives. I like to make quality. They obviously work.
All right, give us the name one more time.
Raw Custom Knives, Montana. Reed Watkins. Thank you.